Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up and isolating the headphones. Make sure both ear cups show charge and Bluetooth is off on nearby devices. Once done, remove the ear cup cushion gently to access the control rim. Use the soft cloth to avoid scratches. Now press and hold the digital crown and noise control button together for 20 seconds to force a reset. You do this to clear firmware glitches that often mute one side. After the reset, wait for the LED pattern to confirm reboot before moving on. You now open the ear cup carefully. Once the cushion is off, locate the ribbon cable and its mating connector. This is often the cause of single-side failure. Use a toothpick to clear debris, then reseat the cable firmly until you feel a tactile click. If you see corrosion or sticky residue, dab 90% isopropyl on a swab and clean the contacts. Make sure everything fully dries for several minutes. After reassembly, power on and test audio balance to confirm reconnection. Finish by confirming settings and firmware. You should run a stereo balance test and ensure mono audio is disabled in accessibility settings because software toggles can mimic hardware faults. Next, connect to the official app and install any available firmware updates. Once updated, perform another quick reset to apply changes. If one side remains silent after these steps, document what you tried, note any visible damage, and contact authorized service. This preserves warranty options and gets professional repair for hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.